We need to focus on our aim. When we are focused on our aim, then nothing will stop you. Hi, I am Pooja Gupta and I love all. Hi, I am Pooja Gupta. I am from Delhi. I am a thalassemia warrior. I am 41 years old and IT professional. I am a thalassemia major. Thalassemia major is a genetic blood disorder. So where it was diagnosed when I was 9 months old, and the journey begins. So at that time, my parents even are not aware what is thalassemia. Even very less people know about the thalassemia, what is thalassemia, and how we can handle this. So this is an expensive as well as most complicated disease. In thalassemia, we need to get the blood transfusion done to replenish the hemoglobin in our body. We need blood transfusion in every 25 days. And due to this, we have a lower immunity and multiple complications, as I got asthma, osteoporosis, and thyroid. So when I was old, I was from Meerut, and I started my journey from there. When we are used to come to Delhi for my treatment, I was fascinated with the big buildings and I always wanted to be a part of the city. I always wanted to be a IT professional and working in a big MNC. But there are a lot of challenges as I faced. People are not aware as well as people are not encouraging. They said how you will handle this situation, how you will manage things with this problem, because I need to get the blood transfusion every 25 days. I need to maintain my ferritin levels, and for that I need to take an injection subcutaneously for 10 to 12 hours a day in a night. And there were times when I was taking an injection in the whole night and I have to go to office or college in the morning. So the journey started with lot of struggle. My most of childhood spent in the hospital, uh, and I've seen the dark side of life. After all these challenges, I never give up. I always has a zeal to do something in my life and to work for the welfare of the people. And in 2018, after completing my triple post graduation, I came to Delhi and start my job. After completing my triple post graduation, I've done MSc, MCA, and MA in English. I came for a job to Delhi in 2008. There was a recession time. It was difficult to get the job. Somehow I found the job and I started my career, but it was also full of a struggle. After a year, my project has gone and I lost my job. And that time it was difficult to get the another job. After giving many interviews, after many rejection, I got selected. And then there was a uh, time came when I was getting a number of letters, a number of opportunities to choose the company. And after that, I never looked back. Same time, I have connected with many NGOs because I wanted to spread the awareness about the thalassemia. What is thalassemia? How we can prevent this? Because it can be preventable. We can prevent this disease. So that the journey started in 2018. There was an instance that I got my backbone fractured and I was on bed for 6 months. It was a time when I have to lay down straight in the bed for a 6 months. After recovering from the backbone fracture, I had my kidney stone surgery done. Then I had another accident. And my left leg tibia bone got fractured, and I had a major operation done and plate and a screw in my leg. So in COVID, when world was fighting with the COVID, I also got twice COVID, and my oxygen dropped till 70 because I was asthmatic. So it was very difficult to get to come back from that situation. But I'm here. So I'm telling you all this story. The main motive is that we we need to focus on our aim. When we are focused on our aim, then nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you. So in this my journey, there are milestones which I got when I was working for the welfare of the people as well. I got rewarded many times. My interview got published in many newspapers, and recently I got a national award from the President of India in 2022. So it was the best moment of my life when I was recognized by the President of India. And it was for the individual excellence. Even my office people appreciated so much, and everybody appreciated for the same. And later on, I got a state award from the government of Delhi. As an IT professional, my life is full of adventures as well, because my working hours is around 10 to 12 hours most of the time, but my team and office is very supportive. As I was talking about the thalassemia, so here I wanted to describe a little more about the thalassemia to make an awareness. It's a genetic blood disorder and it can be prevented. There is a simple blood test which people can get it done, and by that they will be able to know they are a thalassemic minor or they are not. Because when the parents are minor, there is a chances of getting a thalassemia major baby. So I request everybody who is listening this, please get your test done before planning a baby. So in India, we have a culture of matching the kundali before the marriage. But if we match our blood reports, we can avoid this. So this is my actually a message and a request to everybody, because a single person cannot make the awareness. If everybody come together and take a pledge to do this, then definitely we will make thalassemia free India by 2030. And I request support from everybody on this. As well as I just wanted to I wanted to touch the topic of a blood donation. There, in India, we have a shortage of a blood most of the time. Thalassemia major children are totally dependent upon the blood. We need blood in every 25 days. We are on your blood only. So if you donate blood, we will get the blood. So it is a request to everybody. A normal person can donate a blood in every 3 months, and that will be beneficial for him or herself, as well as it will help to anybody, because one blood can save 3 lives. So this is another message which I wanted to pass on this. On going further on my story, so as an IT professional, as a painter, I am working, as well as I am working with multiple NGOs to get the awareness about the thalassemia. Our motto is that we will be able to make people aware to stop birth of thalassemic child, because thalassemia treatment is a costly as well as it is a complicated treatment. Now we talk about the disability. There are multiple disability, and thalassemia also come under the invisible. It's a invisible disability. So when we talk about the invisible disability, people do not know about that, and due to that, the people are got ignored, or they got discouragement. Even I also got the discouragement from the many people. So it is a request to everybody and the society that we should be more have compassion about the disabled people. There should be more accessibility and respect. They also get the same chance and same parameters to achieve their goals, because they are more able. That we need to understand. So when I was 2 years old, my spleen got enlarged, and due to that I need to get a blood transfusion done on a weekly basis, and that case doctor suggested for a operation. So in Gangaram hospital, my spleen was removed when I was 2 years old. So in thalassemia, there are multiple complications because of the low immunity. So I suggest there should be more facilities if for the thalassemics. And as I talk about the blood donation and blood availability, so I also wanted to make awareness about this, that it's better to get the net tested blood to avoid infections. And if anybody who is facing challenge, who has diagnosed with a child with a thalassemic, so you should contact to the societies nearby. If I talk about the Delhi, there are 2 societies, Thalassemia India in Nizamuddin and National Thalassemia Societies in Vikaspuri. Both the societies are working for the welfare of the thalassemic children, and they are supporting in everything. Even a younger child who are less than 10 years, they can get the bone marrow transplant done to cure this disease. So these type of societies will be available in every city, I hope, and if you can search, you will find these societies. So as we talk about the blood donation, so I hope everybody know that रक्तदान is a महादान. आप सब लोग किसी की जान बचा रहे हो, तो प्लीज ब्लड डोनेट करिए. And as I am talking about my story, so every thalassemic has the same story, but we are specially able, and we have the ability to do everything. There are doctors, there are engineers, we have everything they can do. So I'm just saying, we need to be clear and focus on our goal. Never give up. Believe in yourself and work on that. So I say, लहरों से डर के नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So I say, always try, always keep trying, always believe in yourself, and you can do anything in this world. Nothing can be unachievable. If we are If we are clear about that goal, then we can achieve anything. And that's my message to each and everyone. Each and every type of person with a disability is especially able. They have some ability. उनमें कोई ना कोई खासियत है. हमने कल एक स्पीच पे भी सुना था कि जिसमें बोला गया था कि आप लोग भारत के लिए, आप लोग दुनिया के लिए, आप लोग देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हैं. So we are the makers. We are believe in yourself and we can do anything. We love all.